Lead generation is easy when you watch this video. Lead generation is important for rookie and professional entrepreneurs. It can make the difference between a business failing and succeeding. Fortunately, the following video is comprised of expert tips and tricks to help you generate the plethora of leads you desire. Look into opportunities where you may be able to pay for leads. Paying for leads is not a bad thing at all. In fact, there are many companies out there that can deliver you leads at a surprisingly low cost. Just do your homework before signing up with anyone. There are scams out there. Always seek validation of lead information. Verifying real-time information for a lead is important. If you take the time to make sure that you have a good phone number, zip code and/or email, you can ensure that the lead you have is strong. Not doing so can waste a lot of your time. Know going in that lead generation is a time-consuming and ongoing process. It's not a set it and forget it situation. You need to work at it. It takes building trust and thought leadership in the markets in which you sell. Be patient and work hard and you'll really reap the rewards. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Don't shy away from paying for leads if you're on a budget. There are low-cost solutions to lead generation out there. Pay-per-click campaigns are one. These search marketing campaigns give you lots of brand building impressions, but you only pay if someone actually clicks on the ad itself. This can be a very effective lead generation method. Consider live chat as a valuable tool for possibly generating more real leads for your business. When you offer potential customers the opportunity to ask live questions and get immediate answers, you can really influence the buying decisions. Keep an expert on hand for your site, and start generating more leads with live chat. When using Twitter, most people think about growing followers and using hashtags. Sure, but also consider searching for keywords related to your products so that you can find people talking about buying things related to your products. Finding posts of interest can help you generate new leads within your niche. Hold a party for your best sources of referrals. Make it worth their while to show up by providing great food, drinks and entertainment. If you show them you appreciate their help, they'll continue to bring you leads and you'll all end up better off for the arrangement between you. Getting leads is critical to keeping your business alive. The future of your business will be uncertain if you don't work on finding new business contacts. The ideas and wisdom provided in this video can be a useful tool for anyone looking to drum up business. Student loan.